Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 9, that is volcanoes, earthquake and tsunami. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about volcano. In the last video lecture, we had discussed about the story of Earth, that our Earth created from sun, and in the center of the Earth, or in the core of the Earth, today also there are molten materials are present, and these are keep flowing inside the Earth, and these are called magma. So today we are going to discuss about volcano. This name volcano comes from the Roman god of fire, that is called Vulcan. Roman god of fire, Vulcan. So this name given to this name becomes from Vulcan, it becomes volcano. So this hot molten material, that is magma, flowing inside the earth, and whenever it finds a place where the earth layer is weak or thin, it comes out from that part, and when it comes on the surface, it is called lava, and the path through which it comes out, it is called vent. The path through which it comes out, it is called vent. So volcano, magma, lava, vent, these are the important words you have to remember. So a volcano is an opening in the earth crust that allows molten rocks or magma to come out on the surface. So this is all about volcano. And these volcanoes are normally in the shape of conical. These are in the conical shape. And from that, this lava comes out and is spread on the surface and gradually cools down. So now we have to study the types of volcano. That is, there are 3 types of volcano. Number 1 is active volcano. Number 2 is dormant volcano, and number 3 is extinct volcano. So these are the 3 types of volcano which we have on the earth. So this active volcanoes is active and may erupt at any time. The active volcanoes are those volcanoes which are active and can erupt at any time, or have erupted in recent past. So this type of volcanoes are called active volcano, like Mount Fuji, Mount Erebus and Mount Vesuvius. These are the example of some active volcano: Mount Fuji, Mount Vesuvius and Mount Erebus. These are the example of some active volcano. Now comes the dormant volcano. So the volcanoes which are not active in recent past, but they may erupt at any time. These are called the dormant volcano. These are called the dormant volcano, that they are not erupted in the recent past, but they may erupt in future, or for a long time they are quiet. They don't lava don't come out from this, but in future it may happen. So the example of this type of volcanoes is Chile, Stick and Alaska. Chile, Stick and Alaska. These are the example of dormant volcano. Now comes the dead volcano. These dead volcanoes already don't erupt in the recent past or for a long period of time, and there is no chance of eruption in future also. These volcanoes are called dead volcanoes. And in these volcanoes, the erupting activity is completely subsided, means there is very less activity, or there is no activity in this type of volcanoes. So among them, the famous volcano is Kilimanjaro. The famous volcano is Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa, Mount Agnew in New Zealand. So these are the some examples of extinct volcanoes. These are the some examples of extinct volcanoes. And these volcanoes are quiet and silent. So they are called dead volcanoes. So class, I hope you are able to understand this lecture well. If any problem, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.